A 10-minute daily plan to grow your brand. Think you don't have enough time to build a brand? If you only have 10 minutes a day and still want to start an online business, this video is for you. In this video, we break down a simple 10-minute daily plan that helps you grow your personal brand without burning out or living on social media. You don't need hours of content creation or complicated strategies, just a small, repeatable routine. You'll learn how to use just 10 minutes to share one quick thought, lesson, or tip on your favorite platform, respond to comments or DMs, and engage with your ideal audience. Notice what content performs well so you can create more of what works. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel overwhelmed by branding advice or think consistency requires huge blocks of time. Tiny, focused actions done daily build far more trust than occasional big efforts. You don't grow a brand by doing everything at once. You grow it by showing up regularly, even in small ways. The Personal Branding Blueprint is a practical digital product designed to help you build a strong, trustworthy brand in short, consistent time blocks. It gives you clear guidance so branding fits into your life instead of taking it over. Especially helpful if you're using Resale Rights digital kits to grow your business without starting from scratch.